Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see how to set up an account for the Google Search Console. You can open the Google and just search here Google Search Console and click on this first link and see the website google.com, and this is a subdomain search.google.com. So here is the subdomain. Here we can use this tool. Now click on this Start Now, and we need one Gmail account to access this tool. All the Google tools can be accessed through one Gmail account. So just log in with your account and it will redirect you to the Google Search Console tool. So I'll log in here. Here's the interface, and this is the overview. You can see the performance of the website, if there is any coverage issues or mobile usability. So we'll discuss these reports here. So to access Google Search Console tool, we need one Gmail account. Through that we can access and submit the property here. So in the next lecture, we'll see how to submit a property.